In front of me is HONOR X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Now you can finally choose Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. And last but not least, tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!